We are thrilled to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can reset Oppo phone. So there are practically two common ways to do or to perform the factory or hard reset. For Oppo smartphone, you can either boot into recovery mode and initiate the hard reset from there, but much easier way is to open Settings app, then go for the additional settings. In here, backup and reset. If you have any data that you do not want to lose, make sure to back it up. Of course, well, the resetting your phone means that the internal storage will be formatted and all settings, preferences will be reset to the factory default values. So, well, just ensure that you will not lose any data you actually need. From here, go for the reset phone option, then erase all data once more and once again, and that should start the factory reset process. If you have any screen lock password installed, it will ask for you to input that prior to initializing the factory reset, but I did not have it, so well, it didn't in my case. And now we will wait for quite some time for it to perform a reset, format all data, and then I will also guide you through the procedure of initial system setup as well. So let's wait. Already, so as you can see, the device was successfully factory reset. So now we gotta configure the system during its initial setup. So in here, select the language first, then region, then you gotta check the first two options that are user agreement and user privacy, security and protection. The last ones are optional, so if you want to, you can check those. If not, just hit the next button. Now it is about time you connect your device to Wi-Fi. So let me quickly do that. Now let the phone get ready for a few minutes. In my case, there was some very odd connection issue, so well, I guess I will just change the network that the Wi-Fi network that my phone is connected to real quick and see if that will help. Alrighty, so now at this stage, if you want to, you can copy apps and data from your old phone if you have such, but I do not, so I'll just go for the don't copy option and start my system fresh without transferring or migrating any files or data to it. If you want to, you can sign into your Google account at this stage, or you can absolutely just skip this step and go onwards, but I am personally going to log into Google account, so let me quickly do that off the screen. In here, you gotta choose your default search engine, so make your choice and hit the next button. Now there is the chance to set up the screen unlock method, or if you do not want to do that now, you can just skip this step. And at this point, you can either continue the setup and set up some additional extra stuff that is not critical or vital to the system, which you will be able to set up at any time later on, or you can just skip the steps and get directly to the system and get the reminder about those steps and finish them, well, whenever you please. Finally, you can select the system navigation method you want to use, either digital buttons or gestures, and you can learn gestures if you want to, of course. Then click or choose whether you would like to enable the auto update overnight feature, and well, we are all done. Now hit the get started button, and here is your phone. or well, the system that you can now use. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.